President Duterte warned local government officials of criminal charges if they refuse to follow orders from the national government.
But if you go beyond the standards that we have set, you are abusing your authority, and you know that it can lead to administrative cases or even worse unless you stop what you are doing and completely, fully. Criminal cases cannot be far behind.
In a televised message, Duterte urged mayors to heed the guidelines set by the IATF or the Interagency Task Force on Emerging and Infectious Diseases.
I know you have the mandate to deal with the emergencies affecting your localities. I was a mayor myself, in case you have forgotten. But this is an emergency of national proportions, and therefore, it is the national government that should call the shots.
He directed the DILG and DOJ to closely monitor the compliance of the LGU officials.
Huwag kang magbiyahe ng sarili mo sa Tagalog ba? Kung sa wedding, ay huwag kang magpalaro ng iba.
Duterte's call was made after Mayor Vico Soto allowed tricycles in Pasig City despite the travel ban on public utility vehicles.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.